Welcome back, guys. On this video, we are talking about Manat again. So this is upcoming episode again on the show. The whole track of Mala getting exposed, and obviously we have talked about how she will find out the truth that Manat is actually her half sister, and the episode I think have been showed on TV as well. So this is other dramas that follow the show. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed. Okay, I think I've said that before. So let us jump straight into the video of today on the show.
The episode starts with Vikrant asking his family how they could forget humanity. He knows they hate Mannat and Shruti, but Shruti is just recovering from surgery. How could they behave so cruelly with her? Neetu says Ravina started the fight. Ravina blames Neetu for pushing her down. Vikrant scolds Neetu for her behavior. He questions Kiran for stooping so low, despite being the elder in the house. Kiran defends herself, saying she couldn't tolerate them crossing their limits. Vikrant retorts that they are already crossing every line. What if he were in Manat's place? Would they behave the same with him? Shruti is suffering, her daughter is in jail, and instead of supporting her, they are throwing her out of the house. He calls it unfair. Aishwarya fumes seeing Vikrant's concern for Mannat. She thinks, oof, he still cares for Mannat even after everything. She is far yet so close to his heart. Determined to do something, Aishwarya plays her card. She tells Vikrant that it's sad he's so worried about Mannat, the woman who ruined their Mezbani name. Instead of saving Mannat, they should focus on their reputation. She questions Vikrant's concern for Mannat. Who is she to you? Didn't she break your heart? She asks, reminding him that he is Mallika's husband. Vikrant fires back, saying she needn't remind him repeatedly. Mannat is his business partner, and as her partner, he owes her respect. Didn't he support Aishwarya when Bobby was accused of a crime, despite evidence against him, just to save the family's reputation? He's doing the same now to save Mezbani's name? Aishwarya complains Mannat is the root of every problem. Vikrant argues that Mannat snatched shares from Aishwarya purely for business. So why would she ruin her own investment? Kiran still believes Mannat wants to ruin them. Vikrant points out Mannat is in jail for attempted murder while he's outside. Who would frame themselves like that for revenge? Something is fishy, he feels. Aishwarya tries to instigate him again. Vikrant warns everyone not to hurt Shruti further, or he will surrender himself to the police and take the blame. Aishwarya mutters to Neetu that Vikrant is blindly supporting Mannat. Meanwhile, Mannat calls Shruti, but Malika answers the phone. Mannat asks for Shruti, and Malika switches to video call mode, narrating everything that happened at home to provoke Mannat. She threatens her, saying she'll kill Shruti. Mannat shouts at her to stay away from her mom, warning she won't spare Malika and Aishwarya. Malika laughs, saying Mannat is in jail and powerless. She hangs up, then pretends to care for Shruti when Vikrant enters, gaining his appreciation. Gagan informs Vikrant he has spoken to the lawyer about bail. Malika fumes that Vikrant is helping Mannat, unaware Mannat is actually Aishwarya's illegitimate daughter. Vikrant talks to Shruti. Shruti defends Mannat, saying she can never harm innocent kids. Vikrant apologizes to Shruti for his family's behavior. Shruti tells him Mannat trusts him a lot. Vikrant softly admits Mannat has changed. Shruti says she lost her Kala Dhaga, protective thread. Later, Varun informs his boss that Aishwarya has trapped Mannat well, and there is no evidence against her. The boss reveals he's waiting for clues against Sonia. At the police station, Vikrant visits Mannat. She breaks down, telling him she didn't poison anyone and has no evidence to prove her innocence. She pleads Pintu uncle is also innocent. Vikrant notices wounds on her forehead and hand and fumes that the police beat her. Gagan arrives to comfort her. Mannat, worried for Shruti, asks Gagan to care for her mom. She makes a video call to Shruti, who blesses Vikrant for protecting her. Vikrant ties a Kala Dhaga on Shruti's leg to protect her, then collides his head with Mannat's to ward off evil. Malika burns with jealousy seeing this. Aishwarya controls her. Later, Aishwarya and Malika taunt Mannat in jail, showing her videos of Shruti to provoke her. They threaten to harm Shruti if Mannat doesn't transfer the shares back to Aishwarya. Mannat screams that Aishwarya is her real mother. Aishwarya tries to calm her down, but someone overhears the shocking revelation. Gagan tells Vikrant that he knows Vikrant's struggle is immense. For love is essential in a marriage, and Vikrant doesn't love Malika at all. Aishwarya and Malika continue pressuring Mannat to sign the property papers. Gagan saying to Vikrant that Malika did many wrong things. She's learning from her mistake. As a father, he feels guilty for not able to guide her. He adds that Vikrant won't do any mistakes because he's Roni's upbringing. He advises to her. Later, Malika says to Aishwarya that she doesn't know what was between Vikrant and Mannat. They are getting close in this situation too. Aishwarya says that she don't need to worry about anything. Mannat will only choose Shruti like past. She won't choose Vikrant over her Shruti mom. She notices Aniruddha there and goes to confirm it, but he hides seeing her. Aniruddha asks the constable if he's sure Mannat is Aishwarya's daughter. He says that. Mannat shouted that she'll reveal to everyone that she's her daughter. He paid money to the constable. Aniruddha thinks that he was waiting for a clue to trap Aishwarya, but she gave the chance by herself. Later, Mannat worried about her mother. She calls Shruti to inquire about her health. Shruti assures her that she's doing good. Vikrant is taking a good care on her. She says that Vikrant is good person, but others are not like him. She says that she'll come out soon and take care of her. Shruti asks her if she's hiding anything from her. Mannat hides from her about Aishwarya's dealing. She says to Shruti that it's better she stays with Harneet till she returns to home. She can't take risk with her safety. Shruti nodded to her. Later, Aishwarya returns to home. Malika asks her when did she arrange these papers. Aishwarya says that she already arranged it. And wait for the right time. Here is their chance to take back everything from Mannat. Aishwarya says that she didn't give her shares to Mannat voluntarily. Always, Malika is her legitimate daughter and her everything. She only loves her. Malika says that she couldn't accept the truth that both are sharing her as their mom. She can't share Aishwarya with Mannat at all. She apologized to Malika and she forgave her. Meanwhile, Mannat thinks that she won't sign in these papers until she gets a bail. She wants to confirm her mom's safety. Vikrant thinks that Gagan trusting him more than Malika. Vikrant holds Malika's hands and apologizes to her for being rude with her. Vikrant says to her that he couldn't accept her easily and hurted her a lot, but he'll try his best to change everything. He doesn't want to give a fake promise to her to betray her feelings. But he will stand with Mannat in this case because she's innocent. She can't do this. Malika says that she was her friend and trusted her blindly like the way he do. She saw her true colors. She challenged her to ruin Malika and Vikrant's relationship and their business. Vikrant asks her if Mannat said it by herself. She nodded to him. Malika assures him to support his decision. She hugs him and says that he is giving chance to their relationship that is enough to her. She can create a place for her in his heart and remove Mannat from his life forever. Later, Mannat thinks that she wants her papa's support. She never prayed God to show her mom. If her papa was there, then he would have supported her. Later, Shruti decides to leave the house. Neetu is mocking her. Kiran is humiliating Shruti's background and poverty. Aishwarya says to Malika that Mannat is playing a game. We can't blackmail Mannat if she leaves from this house. Malika asks Vikrant to stop Shruti. Vikrant tried to convince her to stay. There, Neetu says that she's ashamed of her daughter's act. Shruti loses her cool and defends Mannat there. Shruti says to Vikrant that she's going to Harneet house. Mannat prevents her from fall down. Mannat recalls the way Aniruddha met her in the jail and showed the evidence to her to expose Malika. He introduced her as her friend and stop her from sign the agreement. Mannat says to Saluja that she proved her innocent and got a bail. She says to Roni that he was upset with her because of her recent activities, but he has to take a decision today. She shows them evidence to him. Everyone is shocked to see Malika added poison in a wheat flour. Vikrant is not able to believe it. Malika creates a seen there and pretends like innocent. She blames Mannat is deliberately framing her to separate Vikrant from her. She's insulting Mannat in her character. Mannat gives a fitting reply to her. Malika spills the beans by saying she wished those children died. And Mannat struggles inside the jail forever for that. Vikrant raised his hand to slap her, but Mannat stops him.